God bless you everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to install the fuel filler neck on the Nissan Sentra. I have a massive fuel leak. My tank fill up neck just took a crap on me. You guys see it right there, all that is my fuel. So here I have the Sentra, and on the floor I have the fuel filler neck. And if you guys wondering what it is, it's actually it is the filling fuel neck. That one is a pipe that goes over here, and of course mine got rusted. It got so rusted to the point where the fuel is leaking through here, so that's why we're gonna replace it. I went ahead and removed the tire, and behind the tire is actually this plastic cover that have a couple clips. So 4 clips later and the plastic cover is out, and this is how everything looks over here. Actually it has only one bolt, it is right there, and then the rest of the brackets, this one and those two on the top, actually those are for the clips. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to suck this puppy up, because the last thing I want is to this bolt to break on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it lubricates a little bit, and then we're gonna remove it. And also we're gonna go ahead and lubricate this one here as well. So this one we're gonna remove it as well. So we got that one there, this one here, let's go. So I let the 2 bolts soak in the lubricant for like 10 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead now to remove them. This one over here, the one on the top right, is actually a 14 millimeter. Meanwhile, this one on the bottom left is gonna be a 12 millimeter. Then underneath, we're gonna have 2 hose clamps, which is one on the left and then one on the right, which is actually these 2, one, the big one and the small one. So now let's pray we don't snap that bolt. Let's go. So these 2 bolts are gonna take longer than expected. Let me work with them and then I'll show you. Successfully, I got this one out, but this one doesn't want to come. It got so rotted that when I try to actually move it, the whole bracket moves. So I don't want to snap the bracket. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut over here, and then I'm gonna try to cut the bolt as well, and then I'm gonna just try to get another bolt with a nut for now, because I don't know what else to do. So let's go. So safety first, I'm gonna use my grinder. It's not the most ideal thing, but I have fire extinguisher over here, and also I have my safety or eye protection. So let's go. Oh, no wonder. So I find out we have another bolt. So here's another bolt that I forgot to take out. I have no clue it was there. So let's remove that one. Successfully, I got the old one out, and again the bracket, it had that one underneath, this one on top, and the one that I cut over here those other 3 are clips, and you guys can see how rusted this thing it is. Anyway, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna remove this rubber cover to put it in the new one that doesn't have it. So you see the new one doesn't have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that rubber again and remove somehow this broken ball over here and mount everything. Let's go. So successfully I got the old bracket out. I'm exhausted and I'm gonna leave it like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm getting ready to mount the whole filler neck in the place. So there's the 2 rubber hoses that I'm gonna be attached to the filler neck, and also it's gonna come also in here. Went ahead and got the new, not the new, but the old one, the old rubber, and that should keep us going. So let's go.
This is the end result.
So I got the old hose clamps tied. I got those 2 bolts in there. This one, as you saw, didn't come out, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Anyway, this thing is super steady, it's not gonna move. Here is the end result, like Manny said. I think it looks nice and it should close good. No problem. So what I'm gonna do, gonna clean my mess, put the tire back and test it out. Boom, the car is back on the floor. Gonna go ahead, start up the car and inspect for leaks. Let's go. Alright, so everything is here and we looking good, no leaks whatsoever. And I'm very happy. So we're looking good. If you mix it, I'm gonna put a link in the description. That's gonna be for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. The Sentra now has a new fuel filler neck and we don't have any more fuel leaks, and I'm super happy. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless you all.
That's the last time I'm buying Spectra Premium.
Alright, that's it, we done.
Too bad this ain't coming out in that video.